We have made a chipsplockare. It's made for picking up your chips so you don't get dirty on your hands when you eat chips.
We have a friend who eats his chips with chopsticks, and we thought that's kind of hard to do. So we thought that we could do this in CAD and then print it.
We use the sticks 3D printer to make our models, and it has been just great.
I think it offers them a possibility to explore a whole new world on their own. I mean, if you take example Lego blocks, you have certain pieces that you put together in a certain way, but with 3D printers you can actually design your own blocks, you can design your own ideas, and you can build them from scratch. You go to the printer, you print them out, and you can combine them in different ways. I think that's a great possibility to get even more creative and have a lot more possibilities.
I think it can help us in the future if we're going to develop a product. We know how it's made and what you can do with it and those processes. Yeah.
In schools, I think it still would work. Even at elementary schools, I think it should work. What becomes more and more important, I would say, is what kind of software you use around it. I mean, the printing in itself, I don't see as a big problem, but how do you actually do the design? How can you do that with a 6-year-old? But I mean, then on the other hand, people use Minecraft all the time. I mean, that might be one entrance point. I mean, they are used to actually designing stuff in certain ways on the computer.
I think it's going to be a pretty big deal, actually. I think there are so many possibilities that you can build anything just with your imagination and in the computer and then print it and get it in reality. And that's something that appeals to very many people. Yeah.